NNPC is not a regulator. NNPC has no regulatory powers. We can say NNPC sets the price. Definitely government is not involved. It's basically the market forces that set the price. So Dangote says to us, this is how much I want for it. And we say, hey, Dangote, if we go out there, we can get it for this much. So we won't pay you this much for it. And we go into the negotiation. And that negotiation, it took us over a week to complete that negotiation. They'll come with their position, we'll come with a counter, they come with a revised position, we'll counter it, and at the end of the day, we were able to reach an agreement on the price to pay for it. The transactions are still going to be in the natural currency, US dollars, but payment now will be done in Naira. So refinery buys a barrel of crude for $80. It's still $80. When the payment is due, that payment will be converted on that due date to Naira, and it will be paid in Naira. Marketer, which NNPC is one, goes to refinery, buys products in bulk in dollars. When that payment is due, instead of NNPC going to chase dollars in the market, NNPC pays for that product in Naira. So that's what it is. It's a simple payment solution, no more, no less.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The person you just listened to was the Group Executive Director, Downstream, Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, or NNPCL, Adedapo Shegun, explaining how the prices of Dangote fuel are being fixed. But we are going to get back to that later as we try to unravel the controversy over how much Dangote sold fuel to NNPCL and who determines this price. Thank you and welcome on board. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Now, the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited had disclosed earlier on Sunday, 15th September 2024, that it bought fuel from Dangote Refinery at the cost of 898 naira per liter. The Chief Spokesperson of the NNPCL, Olufemi Soneye, said, and I quote, "We successfully loaded PMS at the Dangote Refinery today. The claim that we purchased it at 760 naira per liter is incorrect. For this initial loading, the price from the refinery was 898 naira per liter. So NNPC, in that statement, denied buying the fuel at the price of 760 naira per liter, insisting that what it paid for, what it bought the fuel from Dangote, the refined fuel, was 898 naira per liter. However, hours later, the same 15th of September, hours later, the Dangote Refinery fired back to NNPCL, telling them not to mislead Nigerians, and denied selling fuel to NNPCL at 898 naira per liter. In a statement, the Group Chief Branding and Communications Officer of Dangote Company debunked these claims by NNPCL. Now, the Chiejina, that's the Chief Spokesperson of Dangote Group, describe it as mischievous and misleading and urge Nigerians to wait for a formal announcement of the pricing by the Technical Subcommittee on Naira-based crude sales to local refineries appointed by His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, which will commence on October 1, 2024. Now, the statement by the Dangote Group reads, pay attention to the words that was used by the Dangote Group in replying to NNPCL. Our attention has been drawn to a statement attributed to NNPCL spokesperson, Mr. Olufemi Soneye, that we sell our PMS at 898 naira per liter to the NNPCL. This statement is both misleading and mischievous, deliberately aimed at undermining the milestone achievement recorded today, September 15, 2024, towards addressing energy insufficiency and insecurity, which has bedeviled the economy in the past 50 years. We urge Nigerians to disregard this malicious statement and await a formal announcement on the pricing by the Technical Subcommittee on Naira-based crude sales to local refineries appointed by His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, which will commence on October 1, 2024. Bearing in mind that our current stock of crude was procured in dollars. It should also be noted that we sold the product to NNPCL in dollars with a lot of savings against what they are currently importing. With this action, there will be petrol in every local government area of the country, regardless of their remote nature. We assure Nigerians of availability of quality petroleum products and putting an end to the endemic fuel scarcity in the country. Now, earlier you listened to the Executive Director downstream, NNPCL, Aderapo Shegun, talking to journalists on how the price for Dangote are being fixed. In summary, he said it is demand and supply that determines the price. He said NNPCL does not fix the price and that federal government has no hand in fixing the price. But are they really telling us the truth? If federal government has no hand in fixing the price, why set up a committee about it? They ought to have allowed Dangote to bring out his product to the market, just like Dangote brings out his cement to the market, his spaghetti to the market, his salt to the market, his sugar to the market, and compete with others in the market. But federal government set up committee on the right price. So you can't say that federal government has plays no role when he set up a committee. And even Dangote himself admitted that there's a committee set up on crude supply to Dangote and other refineries in Naira. So that committee is supposed to play a role in determining how much the product will be sold to Nigerians. Okay, so I don't think that Adedapo Shegun is telling us the whole truth about how this pricing is being fixed or are being fixed. The prices of Dangote fuel are being fixed because federal government also is trying to ensure that the price that you get the fuel in Meduguri, which is at the furthest end of Nigeria, is almost similar to what you get if you are buying the fuel in Calabar or in Lagos. Okay? And you can't achieve that without trying to help in fixing the price with Dangote. If you listen carefully to that interview, he said Dangote will give their price and NNPC as off-taker will haggle the price with them. And if you listen carefully, he will say that Dangote will fix the price. If he say he's selling at $80, we'll tell him, but this is how much we can get it from outside Nigeria. So he said they will continue to haggle until they get the real price. So is that what they did to get this price of 898 naira per liter? Is that what they did? If it is what they did, why is NNPC denying that that was the price that they sold to them? Why is that the case that NNPC is denying that price? Dangote is denying that price of 898 naira that NNPCL is bandying about as the cost he bought per liter is being denied by the Dangote Group. So why is NNPCL desperate to deceive Nigerians allegedly by putting a price that is not what was sold to them? Who are they trying to deceive? What do they want to achieve? Who are those behind this deception? So there's a lot of questions that are left unanswered. A lot of questions are left unanswered in this issue of the price of fuel that NNPCL bought from Dangote. And if you listen carefully, NNPCL Executive Director downstream, Adedapo Shegun, did say that the Dangote will be priced in dollars, but paid in naira. In other words, the value of the dollar will continue to determine the price of fuel produced in Nigeria. And if that continues, and you know how the volatility of the naira with the dollar, it means that we may still find it difficult to get the price of fuel at a reasonable price that is affordable for most Nigerians. That's one takeaway from this ongoing controversy about the price of fuel that was bought from Dangote by NNPCL. It means that from what this Adedapo Shegun is telling us, dollar will continue to determine the price of fuel. And if dollar continues to determine the price of fuel, I can bet that the price is not going to come down anytime soon. It is also important for us to remember that a liter of fuel was sold less than 200 naira on May 29, 2023. Yes. And here we are talking about 898 naira. We are talking about 898 naira from Dangote. Now, if that is the price, of course, Dangote has denied that was the price. But Dangote has not done this country any favor by not telling us the real price is sold to them. what was the price, because in their statement I was searching to see the price. You say that 898 naira was not what you sold to them. Then tell us the price. Who are you trying to protect by not telling us the price? Earlier, I don't know who flew the kite that 760 naira was what Dangote sold to them. If that was the real price that Dangote sold to them, Dangote ought to have made it clear in each statement that he sold the fuel at 760 naira to NNPCL. But in their statement, they were dancing around saying that the fuel they sold to them was in dollars. And I can understand that because they have not started receiving fuel in naira. Fuel in naira is likely to start by October 1. But they owe it to Nigerians to say this is how much we sold to them. It is not enough to tell us that Dangote, that NNPCL lied, that they bought 898 naira. And NNPC itself said that it was a lie that they bought 760 naira. In their statement, they denied buying a liter of fuel at 760 naira. Instead, insisting that what they bought was at 898 naira per liter. Now, the Dangote is saying it is not the amount we sold to them. Then what amount did you sell to the Nigerian government or the NNPCL? Of course, NNPCL is pretending that it is a private entity. But whatever may be its status, it's a matter of fact that Nigerian government is probably the largest shareholder in that company. So Nigerian government help in fixing whatever it does, the prices it sells at whatever. It means that if that is what they bought it, 898, it means that government will determine now how much NNPC should be selling it. And you can bet that they can buy it 898 and sell at 898. That's obvious. If they sell it at that price, then it means that somebody is paying subsidy on top of it to cover up for the real price. So that is one thing that Dangote Group owe Nigerians, to tell us how much they sold to Dangote, to NNPCL. Dangote ought to tell Nigerians. It is not enough to deny that the price that NNPCL is bandying about is not the real price. Okay? Then you can also understand why why Dangote Group is upset about this. Dangote Group is feeling that amount there of 898 is probably going to increase the prices across the country. And Dangote felt that it will damage its goodwill among Nigerians. Don't forget that when Dangote complained that it was not getting fuel, crude oil from NNPCL, Nigerians rallied around Dangote. And government was pressured into supplying them crude and even supplying them at naira base instead of dollar base supply. But that has not started. It will start perhaps from October 1. So they see it as, if they don't talk now, Nigerians will be angry with them. Look at how much price they are selling to NNPCL to come and sell to them. But at the end of the day, Dangote Group has not done favor to itself by not telling us the actual price is sold to NNPCL. I think Nigerians should continue to put pressure on NNPC to Dangote to tell us how much. Now we agree with Dangote that after all, it is the company that sold the product to NNPCL. So it should be able to know how much is sold. But Nigerians need to be carried along so that we continue to record it for NNPC as a company that is deceptive in its treatment of Nigerians who are supposed to be major stakeholders both in the company and the consumers of this product. So NNPC had already shown itself that it's not for the Nigerian people. It is much more concerned about profitability for itself and its management, and not about the welfare of ordinary Nigerians. But Dangote Group has not done favor to itself by not telling us in that statement how much he sold the fuel to NNPCL. It is that opacity by Dangote that is making NNPC to treat Nigerians anyhow it likes. Because if Dangote doesn't speak up and tell us the real price, they can as well keep quiet and Nigerians continue to endure what they have been enduring from NNPCL in the past, since it get transformed from NNPC to a do I call it a private company or whatever. But the deception of NNPC had been there for decades. Dangote should not join that deception club. He should tell Nigerians the real price is sold to NNPC so that we can begin to calculate what NNPC ought to be selling to Nigerians at this time. I don't know what you think of this development, but whatever is your position on this, let us know at the comment box. What do you think about this controversy, about the pricing of fuel from Dangote to NNPCL? Thank you, and God bless you and yours. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.